Oh, well, hey there, everyone. Here we are with the next installment of the Spirit Guide series. And today I want to talk to you about the personality of spirit guides and that your spirit guides will never make a decision for you. So let's begin. Now, of course, your spirit guides are always watching out for you. They are loving and they are protective. And yes, they have personalities, and you will notice their personality. Which ones are straight to the point? Which ones appear to be a little bit detached or non-emotional? Which ones shower you with love and kisses? Some are funny, others more serious, and which ones can be a little pushy or bossy at times? They all have unique personalities as we do. But note this, and this is important, a spirit guide will never be mean to you or say mean things. Your spirit guide will never be demanding or aggressive or force you to do things. Your spirit guide will never tell you that you are not pretty enough, not smart enough, not talented enough, or say something like, "You're so stupid, why did you do that?" Your guides may be playful and mischievous, but they are never, ever going to play tricks on you. Okay? If they are saying mean things to you, if they're being demanding or aggressive, that's something else going on completely. Most likely you've connected with a low-level vibrational spirit, or you have an entity attachment that requires release and extraction. Your spirit guides are always rooting for you. They're your cheerleading squad. They want you to be successful in life. And in the upcoming 5-week class, Meet and Communicate with Your Spirit Guides, I'm going to take you through a number of journeys to meet your spirit guides and get to know them, how they speak with you, how they communicate, what their purpose is, how they will show up for you. We're going to determine that, yes, in fact, this is a spirit guide so that you feel confident moving forward with whom you are speaking and interacting with whom you are taking advice and guidance from. The class starts August 22nd. Yes, just right around the corner. 5 weeks. Special pricing in effect now. You get recordings of all the classes. There's going to be lots of Q&As to ask your questions and a special WhatsApp group for sharing. The information sign up is on my website, whispersfromthesoul.com, and I will include a link below in the description box for easy access right now. Now, I also want to address a great misconception that many people have, and that is that spirit guides will not make a final decision for you. You know, many people come to me for readings and say, "Oh, I'm connecting with my spirit guides and I want advice from them and I'm not sure what to do, but they're not making a decision for me." That's not the role of a spirit guide. We live on a free will, free choice planet. We came to this planet to be a being of choice and to create according to our choices. A spirit guide will offer you information, guidance, direction, perspective, new perceptions, new ways of looking at things so that you can take all of that information and then make your own choice. They will never make a final decision for you. Remember, we as humanity are on a journey of awakening to greater consciousness. And that means standing in our power, making decisions for ourselves. If spirit guides came into your life and started to run the show by making decisions, then you're not learning and growing. You're just allowing another energy to take over your life. You're switching from mom, dad, spouse, friend, sister, employer, minister, society making decisions for you, and then giving all of your power to your spirit guides. You as a soul presence do not want this. Your spirit guides don't want this, even though your human self might really love it. But that's not why you came here for. So if you ever find your spirit guides making decisions for you, question it. All right? That energy might be something else. And if you ever find that you are demanding decisions from your guides and they go silent or back off, that is most likely because they want you to make the choice. So right now, just look around, say hello to your spirit guides. They are there with you, helping you and assisting you, even when you are not aware. But when you are aware and in communication, the relationship blossoms. So see you in class soon, next installment of the Spirit Guide video course. Ciao for now.